Met this girl as soon as I got on the plane, as soon as she got on the plane. Now I met her again. I love Amsterdam. At the Red Light District. Straight up. I just got hit like 5 times already. Met this girl as soon as I got on the plane, as soon as she got on the plane. Now I met her again as soon as I got off the plane and she got off the plane. Pretty convenient. Yeah, so mine was called aveadelli.
Okay.
And I've been doing it for a while, but I never really post on anything.
Yeah.
And I'm literally just doing it like
Just for fun. I want to viral on TikTok. So.
you definitely can. You can do whatever you want in this world.
I did, and then I stopped posting, and then
Really?
I deleted everything and started over.
Can I see your TikTok?
Sure, it's all gym stuff, you know.
Oh, actually, can you give me your Instagram? Yeah, I don't know. One of them.
It's the same username. I'm
How long-
if I just have a one.
How long you out here for?
We're gonna be in Amsterdam for like 3 days,
Okay.
and we're going to Paris.
Yo, us too.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So the guy I'm with, he's gonna meet his girlfriend.
Okay.
I'm with her for like a week and a half until she leaves, and then I'll be flying my sister out. So we're up at the board.
Okay.
We're gonna do Paris, and then we're going to Switzerland.
Shit, I'm going to Switzerland too.
Where?
I didn't get that far yet. I'm Barcelona, and then
Oh, so am I. That's my last stop.
I'm just gonna like hit you up, and then maybe like I'll see you around the journey.
Okay.
All right, bye. Yeah, how we feeling, boys?
I slept pretty well on that last boat.
I didn't. I was literally in the worst row possible. Oh. All right, so I'm in a debate right now. What flight attendants are the hottest? And bro, I had like zero energy, and I was keeping up a pretty long conversation with this girl. And yo, this dude says that if you tell him, all right, we're gonna be putting that. Oh, hey, you made it. I love Amsterdam. I just got denied from my e-visa from Azerbaijan, and I am supposed to be going there. So now I have to figure that out too. And I'll have to see where that heads or where that leads me. I don't really know what to do. So I asked the girl I'm going to visit, since she's from there. I'm hoping there's some kind of explanation. But he's at the Red Light District. Actually, only have one night. And shit. Absolute shit. And yeah, we fucked up. Cause we didn't realize the time zone was all sorts of crazy and shit. Ciao. Really gotta pay attention in the city. You're gonna get hit. Straight up. Almost got hit like 5 times already. Shit, Spire though. Wow. What the hell? Shit's out of like Harry Potter. Got 5 more minutes till I meet up with these dudes. And I really didn't expect as many people to speak Dutch as the people are speaking. I feel like this is a pretty tourist place, but everyone's fucking speaking Dutch. I love it. Honestly, it should be that way. If you're in someone else's country, you should respect their culture, respect the language, and of course learn it, right? But you definitely gotta spend like a week or 2 to really get a hold of it. Keep it, yo, a train's coming. People are just walking right in the front of the train. Hey, just there with these guys. Ali ali olio. We got the guy over here. We got the guy over here. Where are we? Do you know like this little like center, what it's called? Or no?
I have no idea.
Oh shit! All right, so yeah, we have no idea where we are. I mean, it's chill here. But yo, this is what the shit's looking like right now. The Braukoff. Dibbenkoff. Yeah. It's got some really sweet looking structure. That looks like a fun street to go on right there. I wonder, is that where it brings us? I don't know, but it's just looking nice. Really just be living in the moment. I didn't even get a video of us smoking in there. We just smoked in this street for the red light district. Camera's about to die. Yo, would you? Yo, would you say?
It's Madame Tussauds, bro.
Shit, right? Red light's crazy out here. Shit, imagine pulling up on this to one of them. Like, go right through the doors and shit. At the end of night one, booked the Louvre for the wrong day. Got 3 hours of sleep last night. Got yelled at for being on our phones. Got yelled at for pretty much everything. I mean, it is like 1 o'clock in the morning now. Yo, what's up, everybody? Day 2 here. We got Corey drinking the coffee. Check this really cool urban street side shit. Really dope. It's giving me rhino vibes. You know, like Colorado Rhino, art district. So yeah, my experience so far. Yeah, last night was crazy. Red light district, all that. I was getting yelled at, so I had to shut my camera off. To book for us to go to Paris. We have an Airbnb out there, and we can't even make it because there aren't enough seats to book. If you're going to Europe, you should book your Eurorail trains in advance, and not last minute, because then you're not going to have seats to even book, and then you're going to be stuck. Rooms that we booked, but we can't make it because of the lack of train seats available. So that is where we're at. I will give you an update once we find out more.